Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find about f equals to, we need to find from b minus negative b in here. Just like the range of this Fourier in here. So we calculate this one and we have b because negative minus negative, that is about positive. B plus b, we have 2b. Number 2 divided by number 2, we have b. Now we can apply the formula of the Fourier in here. So that should be about, that should be like this. So we just have f equals to b. So we put this one to change for f. So b divided by b, so we have ns. This one we have ns. Now I will concentrate on this one. So because from negative b to b, we have negative s from negative b to number 0, and we have s from 0 to b. So this one we can put like this. So we need to find the integration of this one. The integration of negative s, we have negative s squared over 2, and we put the bounds from negative b to number 0. This one, that is about positive s squared over 2, and we have the bounds from 0 to b. So we put number 0 and negative b going here. Similar for the second one. So we have b squared over 2. And now we simplify b and b. So we just have b over 2. Now let's go to the second one. So because we have negative s and positive s, so we can put like this. So for this one, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. dv, that is about cosine and s. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to 1 over n sine and s. So the integration of this one, that is about u multiplied by v, but I need to put the negative sign here. And we have s over n sine ns, and we put the bounds from negative b to number 0. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, and we have the integration from negative b to number 0 in here. Now we do similar for the second one. Minus 1 over n, and then we have the integration from 0 to b. And this one, we have sine ns ds. So this one, we can do the integration in here, and that is about negative 1 over n cosine ns, and we put the bounds from 0 to negative b in here. Similar for the second one in here. Now, if we calculate this one, we will have like this. Now, about the second one, we do the same. We need to use about integration by parts. So that is about u equals to s and dv equal to sine ns. This one you can do by yourself. So I just show you about the result of this one. This one we calculate, and you got bn equals to number 0. Now we go back to this one. A0, that is about b over 2. An, that is about this one. Bn, we have number 0. And now we can simplify it. This is the end. Thank you for watching.